Divisibility test. The divisibility test of a given number by any number can be performed simply by examining the digit of the given number. It means a divisibility test is a trick where we can find out the number is divisible by any number or not. For example, here divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at the ones place is an even digit. Is that the digit at the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Or we can say if the ones place is divisible by 2, it means the whole number is divisible by 2. For example, here 5 cannot divide by 2, so this is not divisible. 2 can be divided by 2, so this is divisible. 1 cannot divide by 2, so this is not divisible. 6 can be divided by 2, so this is divisible. 5 cannot divide by 2, so this is not divisible. 8 can be divided by 2, so this is divisible. In the same way, 8 is divisible, 0 is divisible, 4 is divisible and 6 is divisible. Now, let us go to exercise. Here the first question is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? So, here it is 3. 3 cannot be divided by 2. It means this number is not divisible by 2. Now here 6. 6 can be divided by 2. So this is a number which can be divided by 2. 1 cannot be divided by 2. 8 is divisible by 2. And 0 is also divisible by 2. So these three numbers are divisible by 2. By the ones place, by looking the ones place, we can say that these are the numbers which can be divided by 2. Now, next one, divisible by 3. Here, we have to first of all add all these numbers. For example, a number is given 58,515. So, first of all, we are adding all the numbers. That is 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 is 24. If it is divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. Let's take some example. Here the first one, 817. 817, first of all we will add the three numbers 8 plus 1 plus 7, that is 16. Now 16 is not divisible by 3. It means the number is not divisible by 3. Now the second one, 480. So first of all we will add 480. So 4 plus 8 plus 0 equals to 12. 12 is divisible by 3. It means the number is also divisible by 3. Now the next one, 607. So 607 we are adding, it is 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Now the next one, 2013. 2013 is equals to 6. 2 plus 1 plus 3 equals to 6. 6 is divisible by 3. It means the number is also divisible by 3. The last one, 5082. 5082. It is 15. 15 is also divisible by 3. So the number is also divisible by 3. Now question number 3. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? So the rule for divisibility of 5 is, a number is divisible by 5 if the digit in the ones place is either 0 or 5. For dividing of 5, we have to check it is or 5 or 0. In the question number 3, this is 3, this is 8, this is 5. So this one is divisible by 5. Now here also it is 5, so it is also divisible by 5. and here it is 0. So this is also divisible by 5. The ones place having 5 or 0 can be divided by 5, and for 10 the ones place having only 0 is divisible by 10. For example, here it is having 0 and this is also having 0. Now question number 5. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? So if the last two digit is divisible by 4, then all numbers can be divisible by 4. For example, the 43 is not divisible by 4. It means whole number is not divisible by 4. Now 14, sorry, the second one is 84. 84 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 1 ja 4. 4 21 ja 84. So this is divisible by 4. Next one, 88. Yes, it is also divisible by 4. The 4 2 ja and 4 2 ja. So this is also divisible by 4. 13. No, it is not divisible by 4. Now, question number 6. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? As we have learned, for 3, the 9 is also same. First of all, we have to add all the digits, that is 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is 9. Then we will divide this number, and if it is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Let's go into exercise. The first one, 5,40,810. First of all, we have to add these numbers. So here it is 18. 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 1 plus 0 equals to 18. And 18 is divisible by 9. It means the number is given is divisible by 9. Now the second one, 5,42,314. Let's add this number. This is 19, and 19 cannot be divided by 9. It means this number is not divisible by 9. Now the next one, 37,026. Again it is 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. It means the number 37,026 is divisible by 9. The next one, 5,41,248. Here it is 24, and 24 is not divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. Next, question number 7. Write all the 2-digit numbers that are divisible by 2 as well as 10. So the 2-digit number which are divisible by 10 are having 0 in the last place. So these are the numbers which are divisible by 10 as well as the 2 also. Next one, 5 as well as 10. This is also the same, because the divisible by 10, the numbers are having 0 in the last place, and all the numbers which are divisible by 10 are divisible by 5 also. Now the third one, 3 as well as 10. Here we have to find out the numbers which are divisible by 3. So this is the answer of first and second. Now here the numbers which are divisible by 3 is 30, 60 and 90. These three numbers are divisible by 3. So these three numbers are the answer of third one. Question number 8. Find all the numbers between 20 and 40 that are divisible by 2, 3, 2 as well as 5, 2 as well as 10. This is your homework. You have to do by yourself. Here is one quick recap of divisibility rules. The number which can be divided by 2 is having the last one digit which is divisible by 2. The number which is divided by 3 is having sum of the numbers is divided by 3. The number divisible by 4 is having last two digit divisible by 4. The number divided by 5 is having last digit as 0 or 5. The number which can be divided by 9 is having sum of numbers is divided by 9. And the number which is divisible by 10 is having the last digit 0. Thank you, class.